This questa qua è OneCoin. This is OneCoin, one of the merchants from in Italy, Verona. And as you can see, they're selling a lot of lovely things. We have some photo frames, and these are actually like the silver kind of crafting in the photo frames. And then you have your ice bucket, sai, per mettere il ghiaccio, tutte queste cose qua, per caffè, servizio. And John Luca here is doing an excellent job. Look at him. He's busy. Look at all the people who are around this particular stand. They also have handmade costume jewelry, as you can see. Everybody is just keeping very busy. The place is bubbling, really. Ce ne sono tantissima gente. I'm doing this in Italian and English. C'è one video, vedi che è tutto pieno. Adesso possiamo anche andare fuori. We go outside, and these are all the different things that are being sold, promotional things, shirts, as you can see, and pens, key rings, diary. You can have, you can buy that has the logo OneCoin, OneLife, Italy. And now we come outside. This is Hotel Cangradi, lovely hotel. You can stay here. They also have a grill outside. Look at this. It's really, we have all these garage boxes, which Luca has usefully turned into the Dealshaker booths for the different merchants. And as you can see, this particular lady from Romania, she's selling all these lovely evening gowns and paintings, all lovely hand paintings. Guys, get online, go on Dealshaker.com and make your purchase, yes? Is it 100% OneCoin? 100% OneCoin? Okay, 50%, 50-50 OneCoin. It's lovely. I mean, good value, you know, we're having it here. Yes, you even have suits. Look at it. So, you know, they make them to size and so forth. And here we have another stall. They're selling all these, a variety of things, including specific Romanian sweets, handcraft things, you know. They're selling shoes, not many shoes though. They're selling a lot of handcraft products here. And this is like clay things, you know, pottery. It's all handmade, as you can see. Yep. 100% OneCoin, 100% OneCoin?
Yes.
100% OneCoin?
Dulceață de ardei iute.
Okay, these are different sauces you have. Oh, lovely.
Vișine.
And then she has another one like a cherry and yeah. Oh, so.
Afine.
Oh, okay. That's like a blackberry sauce. It's very nice. You have all these little things: strawberry, blackberry, all the different.
Euro.
And this is some kind of a liqueur she has here from prune. From prune, yes, prune liqueur. Very, very nice. Yeah. And you know, people look at the people who are coming around this stall. It's this is a good display of usability of the OneCoin. I mean, what else do we need? You know, this is what we need. We can see more and more of this coming up here. You have another stall where there's also cakes. You know, people have just made their handcraft things, or some people are selling different things, like you have different dresses and garments here, you know, jeans and various items being sold at this particular stall here. Yeah? And you can see some of the famous leaders, Cristi, Colina and Luca. They're all here. They're busy. We have, this is where they're selling a lot of dessert, sweets and so forth. So that's why you have a lot of people who are actually busy standing here. Let me just give you a little view of what they're selling. Yes, so we have many people. I hear Romanian, this is from Romania. Romanian sweets are lovely. So here you have a variety. And you have another stall here. We have different skincare products and some other products they're selling. So the merchants extremely busy. They also have evening dresses. Here you have Apisab here. Yeah, guys, he's a big Romanian seller of all the natural honey, all the bee products, you know, pollen and everything else. Get online. Look at this, for example. This is you have it's all the nuts. You have walnuts and different dried fruits mixed in the honey. All the different nuts. Very, very good. And then you have another merchant selling biological product. There's a biological herb killer, and also there's a biological a product to nourish your plants. So everything is made natural. And he's also doing some wine. It's not wine. It's kind of like a natural alcohol. I'm not sure how it's distilled, but it's with prunes. Yes. So as you can see, that's good. Yes. Go Dealshaker. Yeah. And here we have some other wine, which is brilliant, Romanian. Yes, products. And this lovely lady, apparently she's a famous Romanian singer, you know. So guys, we got to support her. She's doing good for the program. Yeah. This is an excellent project. Here we have some other items, like we have these natural fossil like stone that they have as well. And che cosa è? What is it? What is it? I wanted to see what this is. Huh? Oh, is it curtains for your blinds? Curtains? What is it? Do you know what it is? No? Che cos'è? Oh, it's closed? Okay. Ah, okay. Yeah, maybe. Oh, maybe it's fabric. Fabric, probably. Yeah, probably. That's it. And they have also these kind of paintings. They do. They're all handcraft. That's that. Again, we have some perfumes and so forth. This merchant selling. Is it 100% one coin? 100% one coin?
50%.
50%. Okay, 50-50 one coin, which is brilliant. 50% one coin. And here you also have. It looks like some sort of encyclopedia. They talk about Romania and so forth. They're selling that here. More handcraft from Romania. Yeah, go Romania, go. You know, Romanians have taken the time to come to Italy. That's how dedicated these people are. And, you know, it's good. Very, very supportive. We need this kind of energy in Dealshaker, guys. It's an excellent display. Just look at the craft. They so much time and passion, you know. So I think it's just awesome. Awesome. Excellent, excellent. Thank you. This is another display of usability here. We have this lovely lady here selling all these different clothing. Again, another merchant from Romania. And it's an awesome display of usability. We have lots of different items. Just look at this dress, how pretty it is. Some of the other things, she's already sold quite a bit. So that's good. 100% one coin or 50?
190% one coin, 70%.
Ah, okay. So there are different, different combinations. Some are 70%, some are 90%. So yeah, good, very good. And here, this is another stall. We have all the display of these little ornamental items. This is Italian. As you can see, busy, busy, busy. They're almost sold out. The people are just buying by boxes, guys. And these are the kind of ornamental objects you see. Yeah, one lady has just bought several. Franca, 50%, 100% com'è? 100% one coin. Oh, excellent, excellent. You see, this is Italian too. 100% one coin, guys. You couldn't do better than that, you know. And half of the items are gone. So you see, there's just a few left. Ah. Okay, and then that's we'll have some more merchants. Some of them are upstairs also. This is a this is another handcraft. I think it's in Italian. It's tappezzeria. Oh my gosh, I'm forgetting what we say in English, but it's just so nice. Look at it. These are the things that you take time and care and love when you're doing them. So the merchant here, lovely, lovely, lovely things. I like. Okay, and that's it for now. We may have something else.